that is some airflow. Hey guys, Clay over here from Mike's Bikes Los Gatos. I'm here to show you today that Reserve released a new valve. It's helping with airflow. It's got no valve core in the middle. I don't know if you guys have ever been out on a trail, tried to put some air in your tires. You undo it, the whole valve core comes out, and now you're a little bit in a pinch. So you gotta ask everybody else for tools. So I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to put this guy in and change it out. You're gonna deflate the tire here. So now we're gonna try and pop the bead off. Gotta pull this over the old existing valve. And then you just pop this guy out. And take the valve cap off, take your lock ring off the new valve, push the tire over again, new valve goes through. And the one tricky part is getting over the valve itself, which you can take a handy tire lever if you have one in your kit. Get under that, pick it up over the valve, put your lock ring on, and then we'll try and reposition the bead onto the wheel a little bit here to help with the airflow. It's also a good time to check your sealant levels to see if you need to add some new sealant into your tires. And most of the time, you can get these with just a standard floor pump. Obviously, in some cases, you might have a wheel tire combo where you'll need a little bit more pressure. That's where a compressor comes in, or a pump that will shoot out compressed air. So we're gonna try it today with our air pump, our floor pump.
Got it.
Cool. And just that easy. Tires are seated. You're ready to rock, hit the trail. Put your valve cap on. Those are the new Reserve valves. Stop in your local Mike's Bikes or shop with us online at mikesbikes.com. Thank you for joining.